I'm Jason, the world is yours, and this is an Amazon unboxing. So I know one of these items is a scale, but I gotta be honest, I don't remember the second item I bought. So let's see what's in here. We got, okay, let's see. Here. Oh, complete disaster. Okay. Oh yes, I forgot I had to buy a PS4 controller. I forgot about that. Okay. Yeah, so I bought a PS4 controller because the controller I have right now it seems like it's just bugging out. So let's see the PS4 controller. Yes, I still have a PS4. I know I'm old school. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Looks good. A nice PS4 controller. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Wireless controller. Easy. Let me show you the controller I have right now. Jesus. This is the PS4 controller I'm rocking with right now. It just feels, you know, it's been through a lot, obviously. So I bought a new one. This one's going to come out well, I think. It looks good. Let's get that off of it. Okay, so we, just added a PS4 controller. I actually forgot that I bought this, but it was very helpful because I've been playing PS4 recently and I feel like the gaming just wasn't popping. And a scale, right? We're about to hit September 2023. I'm about to hit the gym. I've been a member of Planet Fitness for a while, but I work a lot and I haven't been going there a lot. But truthfully, I'm kind of weird about it. So it's like, in order for me to go to the gym, I gotta have my mouthpiece, I gotta have my gloves, and I need to have a scale. I wanted to have a scale just so I can see what numbers I'm at. I don't know if it works out of the box. That'd be pretty cool. Let me see. Okay, so this scale was like what, $15 or something like that. Not too expensive. Hold on, let me just get this open without breaking the box up. Not that it matters. Okay. Wow, it's a pretty neat looking scale, right? I think it's like see-through also, right? How dope is that? Okay. So yeah, we picked up a scale.